In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in Google Slides. Whether you're giving a presentation and need to focus on specific details or just want a closer look at your slides while you're working on them, mastering the zoom function in Google Slides is essential. To begin with, you'll want to open up your Google Slides presentation that you wish to work on. Simply type slides.google.com in your browser's address bar and log in using your Google credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you've logged in, locate the presentation from your Google Drive or create a new one if you need a fresh slate. With your presentation open, the first thing to note is the menu at the top of your screen. Among other options, here you will find the View menu. Click on View, and you'll see a drop-down list appear. This list contains several choices related to how you view your slides. Focus on the options related to zooming, and you should see choices like Zoom In and Zoom Out. Selecting Zoom In will enlarge your slide view, letting you see the intricate details up close. Conversely, Zoom Out provides a broader view, which can be especially helpful if you want to see the entire slide layout at once. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts to speed up the process. For Windows users, pressing Ctrl plus the plus key will zoom in, while Ctrl plus the tower key will zoom out. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to use Command plus the plus key to zoom in and Command plus the plus key to zoom out. This is a quick and efficient way to adjust your view, especially during a presentation when time is of the essence. Now, if you wish to return to the original 100% view of your slides, you can click View again and select Actual Size or Fit from the menu. The Fit option is particularly useful as it adapts the view to fit your current window size, ensuring you make the most of your screen real estate. Zooming can also be done using your trackpad or mouse if you have a compatible device. For example, on many trackpads, pinching in with 2 fingers will zoom out, while spreading them apart will zoom in. If you're using a mouse with a scroll wheel, you can hold down the Ctrl key on a Windows device or the Command key on a Mac, while scrolling up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. And that's it. Now you have all the tools you need to effectively zoom in and out in Google Slides, giving you control over every detail of your presentation. Be sure to practice these techniques to see exactly how they work and make your next presentation as impactful as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.